Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Focus. This is where Do Not Disturb lives now. Once done, tap Do Not Disturb to begin configuring it. You're doing this so notifications, calls, and alerts stop interrupting you when you need silence. Make sure your phone is unlocked and not in a guided access mode, otherwise options may be hidden. You'll see toggles and schedules. We'll set those next to control who can reach you and when. Now you customize who can contact you. Tap People and add specific contacts or pick favorites so trusted people still get through. Once added, decide whether calls, messages, or both are allowed from those contacts. This matters if you expect urgent reachability. Make sure to review silence settings. You can silence always or only when iPhone is locked. Also check repeated calls. Turn it on to let someone through if they call twice within 3 minutes. Finish by choosing a schedule or using the manual toggle. Tap Add Schedule or Automation to run Do Not Disturb at set times, locations, or while using apps. Once set, make sure home screen and lock screen are configured to hide notifications as you prefer. This prevents banner distractions. If things don't work, try toggling focus off and on, check for allowed apps, or restart your iPhone. That often clears stuck notification behavior. You're done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.